Welcome back to Food for Life, your go-to channel for delicious, easy-to-make recipes. Today, we're diving into a traditional Afghan treat, Afghani Khastay Shereen, or sweet almonds. These crunchy, caramelized almonds are perfect for snacking, sharing at parties, or even giving as a gift. Let's get started. First, get a sheet of aluminum wrap about 11-inch long and brush it with oil all over. We are going to use that later. To begin, we're using 1 cup of almonds. I'm using whole almonds here for texture and that natural skin which adds flavor. Now heat a pan over medium heat and toss in the almonds. We're going to dry roast them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir them occasionally to make sure they toast evenly. The goal here is to bring out that beautiful, nutty aroma without burning them. Just keep an eye on them. You'll know they're ready when they turn a golden brown. As the almonds roast, they'll start to brown, and you'll smell that irresistible, nutty fragrance. At this point, we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Stir them for 1 minute. Then add 1/2 cup more brown sugar. Stir them for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is time to add 1 cup of white sugar. Gently stir the almonds and sugar together for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice that the sugar will start to melt slightly, sticking to the almonds. Keep stirring until every almond is coated in that sugary goodness. Don't rush this part. You want to make sure each almond gets its fair share of sweetness. This combination of sugars is key to giving the almonds their signature sweetness and golden, crispy coating. If you want to add a little extra flavor, you can sprinkle in some cardamom, but that's totally optional. Now transfer the almonds and sugar mixture onto the aluminum sheet that we oiled earlier. Flatten it out as much as you can like so. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. The sugar will harden itself. And here they are, Afghani Khastay Shereen. Crunchy, sweet, and totally irresistible. These little bites of goodness are perfect for any occasion, and they'll definitely impress your friends and family. Plus, they store well in an airtight container, so you can enjoy them for several days. These sweet almonds make a great snack, a lovely addition to a dessert table, or even a thoughtful homemade gift. So simple, yet so full of flavor. Thanks for tuning in to Food for Life. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking.
Like and subscribe.